Viewers on YouTube siyazi ukuthi sisemseni wenu ukuthi nibuke ni-like, but it's very frustrating when people who come and watch the episode only once, they come and tell you what to do. They have not even watched the full episode. They don't even watch the ads that are playing. Remember, phela YouTube yasinikeza ama-analysis, and then kunenqwaba yabantu, about 86% on my podcast, who watch the podcast but are not subscribed. Why are you not subscribing? Yini ekubambile, yini ebuhlungu, ukhokha ini ngokusubscribe? Ngicela ukunitshela mina ukuthi from now moving onwards, because you cannot please everybody and nikhuluma too much, nibe ningazi what happens behind the scenes. Ngifuna ukunitshela ukuthi the people who will have a right, engizobanikeza imvume yokungitshela how to conduct the podcast that I am hosting and that I am owning, by the way, are gonna be the people who are giving me ama super thanks, and it's gonna be the people who are channel members. Abanye nabanye, I won't consider your views because nikhuluma too much, nibe ningasupportinga next, nibe nihluleka ukubekezelela nje i-ad ka-1 minute only, but on TV niyayibekezelela. No Chesem, never. Ngeke sidlale lina phela, ngeke nje sidlale lina.